Hey there. There's a lot of talk about AI agents. Today, I wanted to dive a little bit deeper into the jungle of AI, specifically around agentic solutions. So, we all keep hearing about these AI agents, but what about agentic workflows? Are they the same thing? Spoiler alert, they're not. But let's break it down in the next few steps. First up, agentic workflows. Think of this as superpowered, automated, step-by-step processes. They're what we call deterministic. That means you give it a set of instructions, and it follows them precisely. Like a recipe, you know what you're going to get at the end. A quick agentic workflow example can be as easy as ABC. For example, let's say we have a bunch of contacts, LinkedIn contacts, that we want to send connections to. If that person responds, then we send a custom message. So that is a predictable outcome every single time. AI agents, on the other hand, are a whole different beast. They're non-deterministic. Instead of following rigid steps, you give them a goal and they figure out how to get there. In other words, they have agency. So basically, we give agents the ability to make decisions, choose tasks, and adapt on the fly. Imagine an AI agent tasked with planning a trip. It might research flights, hotels, activities, and adjust the plan based on real-time information, like traffic or weather. The output isn't always the same, but it's always working towards the end goal. So we have deterministic and non-deterministic. What are the key differences? It all boils down to this. Agentic workflows are about predictability and repeatability. AI agents are about flexibility and adaptability. Think of it like this. A workflow is a robot on a factory assembly line, doing the same thing perfectly every time. An AI agent, on the other hand, is more like a personal assistant, researching and making decisions to help you achieve your goal. The cool thing is, you can combine these approaches. You might use an agentic workflow for a specific repetitive task within a larger AI-driven process. For example, an AI agent planning a marketing campaign might use a workflow to automate the social media posting schedule. If you're going to take away anything from this, is that not everything needs an AI agent. Many tasks are perfectly suited for the reliability of an agentic workflow. I hope that's provided more clarity. If you have any questions, check out the link below. Until next time, bye.